This little Ranking Factory software tutorial is for setting up G sites. So we come to the toolbar across the top, click on G site. You want to get your assets set up beforehand, your images and documents, and make sure that that's all ready for you to upload. So I took some images from a website that I'm working on. Here's the site, and I just copied the image, opened up paint.net, and here are the dimensions of the images. I've already created the header images. Now I'm working on the body. So I'm making a background. It doesn't matter where you get your images from. These are the dimensions you want to work with. I'm just going to stick that image there for a moment. Use the color picker, pick the background color, and then delete the image. This is just the fastest way I could think of to create this. Okay, and if you are not familiar with paint.net or you have another image editor, no worries. If you need help with paint.net, I am happy to help you. Okay, so I just added a layer. I'm going to paste the image back again, and now I'm just going to stretch it out and kind of eyeball it to the center. Okay, close enough for government work. And we'll save it. Want to save it as a JPEG, and this is LinkedIn marketing. That's it for the time being for the body images. And then I'll come to my folder. I've already optimized several of these images. You right click on the image, come down and click on properties, come over and click on details, and here is some of the optimization. I've added keywords and made it 5 stars and give it an author. There are more things down here that you can fill in if you wish. Now, just because you enter the details and click apply or save or OK, don't assume that the information has taken. I have 2 more here to optimize. Okay, there's nothing in here right now. Give it 5 stars. And then I've got a whole horde of keywords here. These all relate to the website. The stars seem to not want to stay there. This is description of the various programs that are on the site, and paste it in there. Okay, so here I filled in all these details, and I click apply, and you see this little thing come up saying, oh, we're applying it. And then I click OK, and then I'm going to right click on that same image, go to properties, click on details, and most of the details are gone. So no idea yet why, but I will find it out. But just to warn you that it is possible that you will enter the information and it won't stick. Okay, it's stuck. Okay, so just to let you know, you want to get these things ready prior to starting your G site setup. If you need any help with editing your images, just let me know. Now we want to add a title, and I'm going to give it the name of my website. You name it whatever works best for you. And you want to pick the email address that you want to associate with this. Next, you're going to want to choose which pages you want to run. And you want home. I'm going to put about us, privacy, contact us, and then you can add additional pages if you wish. Once you check the contact us, it opens up all the other contact information boxes, and you can put your name, your phone number, the website. I'll put the web address here, and you can put additional page names if you want to put your address, your email, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. You can do that. So next we'll go and select our site images. Click on the button. I didn't have a footer background image, so I just took one of my banner images. Let's see. I just took this image here, and just slice some of it off. This is the world's best, easiest, simplest, fastest image editing software ever. And I just did that and saved it, and that is now my footer image. And the interesting part is this image, the whole image, this image had been optimized, and I wondered, okay, once I cut it and saved it as a new image, then what? So I came to my folder, and here's the little footer image I just made, and I clicked on properties and details, and here it is. It borrowed all of the optimization from the whole image, so that saved me a step. It was kind of cool. Okay, so here are all my site images, and if you click on an image, you'll see some of the optimization that's on the image. So you need to have all of your images set, ready to go in your folder and uploaded at the same time. You cannot come back and add a single image. Select your site images and select all of the images that you want to use at one time. Next, we come over and click on the site theme, the little drop down arrow, and there are 6 different themes that you can choose from, and I'm sorry I can't tell you anything about them. So you can just select one, and each one offers different fonts to choose from. Okay, so once we've got this page finished, we're going to come to the tab to the right and click on Content, and we are on Spin Article. Okay, so I have an article already, and I'm going to go and spin it. So I'll paste my article in here and click on Show Advanced Options. I'm going to click on one-click rewrite and see what we get. You want to make sure that it's really well spun. Needs to have lots of brackets and pipes in here. Okay, so that looks good. Let's copy this, go back to Ranking Factory and paste our spun article in here. So now we click on Spin. At the moment, these are all empty, I think, except for the privacy policy. That's there. Courses, products. Okay, and we can spin. And if you look down in the lower left corner, it gives you the status. So here's our home page, and I've got my information that I want to add. I'm going to add the website URL for the header link and for the footer link, or you can add a link to your money site or wherever you want it to go. And I have a YouTube link, paste that in there, and then I have header, body, and footer images. So header was this one for body, and footer image was 2. Okay, so and then we will go through and do this on each of the pages. I've already set it up on my other pages, but on the other pages, if you've got a YouTube link, you're going to add that. If you have Map and Google Calendar, which is a very good idea to add, then you're going to add those and change your images. And you're going to add images, YouTube link, if you have calendar and map name to each of those. Contact already has the tokens in here, and then these are the additional pages I used. They have the images and the YouTube link added to them. So once you've gone through and set everything up, you can click on Save. Make sure you have your account name and your website title selected, and then come to Browser and Upload. And the software should automatically log you into whatever Gmail account you have selected for this G-Site campaign. It automatically logged me in, and then you just wait. You just let the software do its job. It's beginning to fill in details. Seems Google has made some changes. Typically the system would hit publish, and for now I'm going to hit publish. Just down the bottom left here it reads all events completed. Your site has been published successfully, and you can click on view. Okay, so I just clicked on publish and then view, and it's taken me to the published G site, and here are all the links. I see that it loaded a document that had HTML tags. You want to make sure you don't use any HTML tags. Okay, so before you run your software, you want to make sure that all the pages are as they should be, because I have a couple pages that read untitled and there shouldn't have been extra pages. But anyway, that's the process. And Google, of course, has been making changes, so this may not work exactly as you've seen here. Just know that the software is being updated as soon as Google finishes whatever changes they are making. And that whole process took probably 30 minutes to publish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 pages. So that's it for G Sites.